Hello, I am Miss Stratton and I am making a how-to video on how to join a Zoom meeting. So I have already looked into my emails and I saw that I got a Zoom link. I should have done the subject a little better, but this is going to be the link to join a Zoom I have going. So all I'm going to do is click this link. It's going to have this little box asking if I want to open the Zoom meeting. Sometimes, depending on the age of the computer or the device, it'll have you update. I've been using Zoom on this computer for several months, so it's updated already, but it might take a bit. So I'm going to make this a little bigger, and now I see my picture. This is what I'm talking into right now. I had the Zoom started on another device, so I just had no picture, so you weren't looking at the ceiling or anything. So this is me that's happening right now. A few features of this right here is I can mute myself. So when teachers are saying, oh, please mute yourself, and sometimes it knows when you're talking and you're muted. So sometimes I'll be like, blah, 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 during like a meeting, and I'll be like, hey, you're muted. So that's what happens. Another feature is you can stop the video. So it's a little weird having two pictures of me. So now I am both muted and I don't have my video. So if I was in a meeting, I can unmute, say something during the meeting, and unmute, and then have the video. So that is mute and videos. It's going to keep doing this for me, so I'm going to unmute. Now, a fun thing to do and an important part about these Zoom meetings, so every teacher knows what student is logged on. I already have an account, which you don't need for this, but I already have my name in there. What you can do is hit the participants with the little people at the bottom. Go over to you. This one is the host, so this will be the teacher. So this is me for right now. It says me. I'm going to go more and hit rename. So I'm going to say Miss Stratton. So that is now my name at the bottom. This is really nice because sometimes students will log in, they'll be iPad 4, iPhone 3, and I'm just like, who's this student? I really want to know who it is. But I know logging in, Miss Stratton, great. You are here for today, can take your attendance, perfect. Now, other features I have on mine are raise hand. So as a host, you can see the little hand with the participant. Yes, no, all these fun things. And then I'm going to go down here. There's also the chat. So I can say hello and send it. You can also send it to just the teacher, like I have a question. Question, stuff like that, and I'll say privately, so only me as the teacher or whoever is hosting it will see that message. So, or you can do everyone. Now with Zoom, these chats need to be appropriate, and we don't want to involve any bullying or anything. This is supposed to be a helpful resource. Say the teacher asks like, oh, tell me your favorite color real fast, and then everyone's like that, and then that helps get quick responses. Other fun things to do, I'm looking all the way down here at this toolbar. You can record. So the teachers will be recording the Zoom lessons. So we have those, and then there's also reactions that pop up. For the recorded lessons, not everyone wants to show their background. I actually picked the best place in my room that I could find to have the best background. Or if you go down here where it says stop video, there's this little caret indent. You click that, The middle one says choose virtual background. So this allows me to go through all the pictures. We have a few already set in Zoom that are always there. And then I have found some. So you can find these, or the teacher will provide you with some. So there's also this option to do virtual backgrounds, as long as they're not distracting. If someone's playing with this and like, oh, I'm getting hit by the hurricane or something, that may become distracting. So there's also, if you don't want the virtual background anymore, you can go none. If you want to add your own, you go add image. And depending on what images you have on your device, you can always find some on Google, as long as they are appropriate. The most important part is that they are appropriate. So if you have questions, please contact us. I'm going to put my hand down. And this is Zoom. Oh, one of the most important parts of Zoom is leaving the meeting. You go leave, and it will say leave meeting, or sometimes the host will end the Zoom meeting. So you can always go leave meeting. So thank you so much for watching this video.